Evening, dear viewers. James Braithwaite here, and what a beautiful evening it is in Timperley. Take a look around. A bit overgrown there, but I'll sort that out. Anyway, this is what I'm showing you. This bench, before I got to it, it was less stable than Donald Trump's ego, so I decided to do something about it. You see the cross members I've fitted there? You know, just to add a bit of extra strength and torsion. I mean, it's not perfect. I think there's still a bit of stuff to do on the thing, but it's not going to fall to pieces now. So I'm well chuffed with that. Anyway, it's time to get on with another thing, the painting. As this one's more in the garden, I am painting it a different colour, green. So hopefully it'll be a better prospect. There's not much left in this, so hopefully it'll go the distance. I haven't brushed the dust off yet, so oh sorry, I shouldn't really walk off the camera there, but I don't want to splatter my phone. Okay. Anyway, it gives me a chance to compare the cuprinol and the Ronseal. Again, this is left over from when I did the sheds a couple of years back. If I have enough for this, I'll be incredibly surprised. It's more muggy than a tea service tonight. To reinforce this one, I just utilised some old leftover bits from some pallet planks I had. So it's essentially the carpentry version of Scrap Heap Challenge. Or ground force, depending on your viewpoint. Keep you involved here, dear viewers. I'm not going to go whole hog with this because I've been absolutely mad busy today. Whew. 2 driving jobs and a bit of a pain in the backside of a vehicle to work on. It's quite late in the evening now, so hopefully no one's going to get a green backside. Having green fingers is fine, but having a green bottom is quite another matter. Right, hang on a sec. Sorry, I'm just trying to get you the best viewpoint. Don't know if I'm having the full amount of paint as I told you, but we live in hope. There you go, that's me so far. Sorry. That's what I'm up to. I'll have to pause it here, or stop it here anyway, because I've nothing to mount the phone on. So, I will carry on painting and see you in the next one. Hello.